This application requires one full strip and one half strip of KT tape. Take your full strip of KT tape, twist and tear the paper backing 2 inches from one end. With your forearm resting across your body, apply the anchor with no stretch just above your outer elbow, directing the strip up toward your outer forearm and wrist. Now place the outer portion of your forearm on stretch by turning your palm down and flexing your wrist. Apply a light stretch directing the strip over the bony prominence of your outer elbow and curving slightly towards the back of your wrist. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Take the half strip, twist and tear the paper backing close to one end. With your elbow flexed, place the anchor with no stretch on the back of your forearm just below your elbow, directing the strip toward the front of your forearm. With moderate stretch, apply the strip across the area of discomfort. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Gently rub the application to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.